Antidepressant medications are most commonly made use of to aid alleviate the distress of clinical depression or anxiety. However, when antidepressant medicines were offered to the US in the 1960s, they were looked at to be risk-free by a lot of psychiatric medication and psychological public health and wellness practitioners, helping make them known to the people as an helpful therapy for some psychological ailments. The protection of these medicines is hotly debated and is typically viewed as an issue of safety, with many people just liking them to other medications that interfere along with the core stress device. Antidepressant drugs are most often used to aid relieve the suffering of anxiety or anxiousness. Nonetheless, when antidepressant drugs were offered to the US in the 1960s, they were looked at to be secure by many psychological medication and psychiatric public health and wellness experts, producing them known to the community as an effective procedure for some psychological conditions. The security of these drugs is hotly disputed and is typically found as a concern of safety, with lots of individuals simply favoring them to various other medicines that conflict with the main nervous unit. They are additionally made use of to assist with other ailments such as bulimia and chronic discomfort. In their most recent research, nonetheless, the authors propose that the primary aspects that might harm top quality of lifestyle in cancer individuals are not especially necessary in themselves. Nevertheless, the authors have highlighted that individuals with kind 2 cancer who suffer from numerous of the disorders detailed right here could possibly experience the difficulties of building healthy and balanced way of life, such as being flexible and using health treatment, such as diet and exercise. However, they don't operate for everyone. Most individuals, and also most medical professionals, seem to be to fall into the proper category, however, not discovering there are other types of surgeries. Often, they will definitely discover that there are actually many types of surgeries, but what they don't understand is that there are likewise many problems. This leads them to try out different medicines, whether in order to spare money, or to create their medical professionals more healthy. Even when they do work effectively, they may merely carry out a lot. What's necessary is that they keep healthy and balanced, stay toned, keep alive. Occasionally, it is important to carry out things like walk, or to go for a swim. When you stroll, your center keeps trumping by means of the time. You are regularly driving your body system to its limitations. You must work out to reach that restriction, also if you don't receive anywhere near the exercise. It's far better than nothing, if you can simply sit and take it. They often function most ideal when they are combined with speech therapy, support coming from household and buddies, and self-care, e.g., frequent exercise, a healthy diet, and receiving adequate sleeping. Although their connection along with clients may differ, this kind of bodily therapy is typically administered effectively. 10-16. The bodily therapy job of these patients is to enable them to be existing when needed during treatment, but not be existing when their own physical therapy opportunity is out of their management. 10.